Welcome guys to MsPuff Creative Corner. This is Claudette. Today I will be showing you how I created my Halloween embellishments using my Christmas stocking dies. So if you're interested in this, please do stick around. So I'll be using a die set that comes in the sweet little stocking bundles. It has a coordinating stamp set that you could purchase together as a bundle, or you could purchase them individually. This set comes with 22 pieces. I will be using the larger of the 3 stocking dies as well as the tag die. Okay, so let's get started. The first set of embellishments that I'll be showing you I created into ornaments. I decided to use scrap black and white designer series paper. This particular one, I colored that designer series paper with orange and black markers. I used our black glitter organdy ribbon to embellish this boot. I punched a hole to the top of the boot. I ran a black piece of pipe cleaner through the hole to create a loop. I reinforced the back with upcycled cereal boxes. I add a mini tag to this with the sentiment trick or treat. I distressed the edges of the boot and the tag with our sponge dauber and our early espresso ink. The next pop of color is an orange yellow. I embellish with a black thin ribbon, topped off with a checkered ribbon with a button on top, and I added a silver pipe cleaner to this one. I stamped boo on my designer series paper. I used my white gel pen to enhance those stitches to the edges. I also colored in the gingham ribbon with my orange marker. I heat embossed the sentiment Halloween with white embossing powder. To actually turn this sock into a boot, I added a piece of cardstock to the top, roughly measuring a ½ inch by 1½ inch. Then I cut the points off from each corner. To add some character, I stamped some star images to the top. So this particular die is directional. So it depends on where you want the toe of the boot to point, whether right or left. And this is significant if you have double-sided designer series paper on which side you want to show. For instance, with my cereal box, I wanted the craft side to be seen, so I cut with the printed side up. Now for gift tags, you could add them to your scrapbook, you could add them to your box gifts, you could add them to your cards. Now I also add some gem coming along the boot, and I think that made a difference from turning this from a sock to a boot. Those gems actually made it look more like a boot. I'm also showcasing that white mesh ribbon, which is really nice for this time of season because you could also use that for cobwebs. Here you can see I colored in that gingham ribbon. Again, I use our Granny Apple green, and that's a nice color for the season. Also, you could use your Winker Stella, give those a little sparkly shine. Here I use a nice purple. I love that purple too as well. So adding simple attachments to these embellishments like clothespin or some twine makes it easier to attach to your gift bags. I used a larger tag to create this gift tag. I cut a fishtail to the end of it, add some rhinestone as well as the mesh ribbon. To create this mini banner, I scored a ½ inch to the top of the 3 tag labels and fold that over some jute twine, and I added the boots to each tag. If you're getting creative value from this video, go ahead and smash that like button down below so my video can be seen by other people like yourself. Next, just add that banner over a black frame, and that would give you a beautiful decoration piece. So if you're new to my channel and like what you see, consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. If you're interested in the supplies that I use here today, all that will be listed in the description box down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.